Imagine waking up to the soft rustling of trees, the smell of fresh coffee brewing, and the promise of endless roads ahead. The best part? All this freedom costs less than you think. In this video, we're unveiling the hidden secrets of renting an RV that can transform your travel dreams into reality. Most travelers overlook these crucial tips, leaving them with unexpected expenses and missed opportunities. But here's where you get the upper hand. Ready to embark on your next unforgettable adventure? Let's dive in, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you see travel forever. As we step into a new era of travel, the allure of the open road calls out stronger than ever. Renting an RV isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about transforming each mile into memories. But what makes this topic so urgent now? With more people seeking safe, flexible travel options post-pandemic, RV rentals have skyrocketed. It's crucial to understand the costs, the do's and don'ts, and the nuances that could make or break your trip. But what most people don't know is that hidden fees and poor planning can quickly turn an affordable escape into an unexpected burden. Let's ensure your journey is nothing short of spectacular, with insights that save you time, money, and stress. First things first, let's talk numbers. On average, renting an RV can cost anywhere from $50 to $300 per day, depending on the type and size. But did you know that booking during off-peak seasons can slash those costs dramatically? Consider this. A savvy traveler could save up to 30% by simply shifting their travel dates. Also, look out for hidden costs like mileage fees, generator charges, and insurance. Some rental companies offer unlimited miles, which is a game changer for long hauls. And here's a tip nobody tells you. Many RV owners on peer-to-peer rental platforms offer negotiable rates, so don't hesitate to haggle a little. In the next scene, we'll uncover packing secrets that maximize space and comfort. Packing for an RV trip might sound daunting, but with the right approach, it can be seamless. Here's where most get it wrong: overpacking. The key is to pack smart. Use soft-sided bags instead of suitcases. They fit better in RV spaces. And remember, every item should serve multiple purposes. An unexpected twist is that packing cubes aren't just for suitcases. They're perfect for keeping your RV organized too. Now, here's an often overlooked tip. Bring your own linens and towels. Not only does it feel more like home, but it also reduces rental costs. But how do you maximize fun without overloading your itinerary? Stay tuned to find out. The excitement of hitting the road is intoxicating, but without a plan, it can quickly lead to chaos. So how do you ensure your RV adventure is smooth sailing? It's all about the itinerary. Start by mapping out your route with key stops, but leave room for spontaneous detours. Those often become the highlights. But here's the climax. Always check for RV-friendly campgrounds and rest stops along the way. Many travelers overlook this and end up in tight spots, literally. And don't forget to download maps offline. Service can be spotty in remote areas. This is where memories are made, under a blanket of stars, around a campfire, with stories that will last a lifetime. Now for the golden nugget of RV travel. Understanding your RV's capacity, overloading can be a costly mistake affecting fuel efficiency and safety. But here's the revelation. Most RVs have underutilized storage spaces. Check under seats, inside benches, even the ceiling compartments. Another insider secret? Always do a trial run before the big trip. Get a feel for driving, parking, and setting up camp. It eases nerves and ensures everyone knows their roles when it's game time. This single insight transforms a daunting experience into a smooth, confident journey. You're now equipped with knowledge that most travelers wish they had before setting out. As you embark on your RV adventure, remember this. It's not just about the destination, but the journey and the stories you gather along the way. With these tips, you're set to explore the open road with confidence and excitement. Imagine the possibilities that await, each turn bringing new landscapes and experiences. We'd love to hear about your RV plans or past adventures in the comments below. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Wanderlust Tours for more travel insights. Hit the like button if you're ready to pack up and venture out, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tips and guides. Subscribe for more travel tips and start your RV adventure now.